All right, what's up everybody? Steve with FloatChecker here. In this video, we're going to download TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim trading platform for the desktop. It will get you to this login screen so you can get up and running trading stocks. But first, their fancy intro and disclaimer. You know, if stock trading is something that you're getting interested in, do as much of your own research as you can, whether it's through books or videos. You can, if you want to learn more about stock float, you can head on over to our site at FloatChecker, where you can quickly search the float of your favorite stocks. So to download Thinkorswim, rather than typing in or copying and pasting a download URL, I would suggest going to your favorite search engine and just typing in TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim, and it'll pop up Thinkorswim download. You want to click on that. The reason why I say that is because, you know, websites tend to change over time, URLs change, and a few years ago, Charles Schwab purchased TD Ameritrade, so it's possible that in the future you'll have to go to a Schwab website in order to download Thinkorswim. Now, make sure you're going to an official looking web page. Obviously, you don't want to go to a third party, some unauthorized third party site. Usually it'll come up at the top of the results. So here we're on TD Ameritrade. It'll look something like this, and we will accept the cookies. Now, there are several versions available. The Windows version for Mac users, Linux users. You should need no extra software, as is explained on the website. Really, this is an all-in-one installation. We'll go ahead and do the Windows version. You'll see there's a 64-bit and a 32-bit installation. I think most of the newer machines will be 64-bit, but you can easily discover that. Go down to your search bar, type in About your PC, look in your settings, and right in the system type area, we see this is a 64-bit operating system. So we'll go ahead and install that. We'll click Install Thinkorswim. Now, depending on the browser you're using, you may be asked to save the exe file to your downloads folder, which you can click on later and just open it up. Or you'll have a chance to, it'll ask you either to run the program or open it right from the browser. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's used by millions of people. I think it's generally considered safe. So we'll go ahead and open that installation. Usually with the installation wizard, I think for the most part the default settings will work. I'll go ahead and click on the English version. Continue. Now, as far as account types, the first one, TD Ameritrade, that's for USA account holders. I believe TD Direct Investing is for Canadian account holders. Then for folks in Asia, Invest Tools, I'm not even sure that's around anymore, if TD Ameritrade is continuing that. They bought that some years ago. I'll go ahead and click the first option, TD Ameritrade, since we're in the USA. I will acknowledge the license. I'm going to go ahead and install for all users. This is my PC, so I'll go ahead and install it. Again, I'll stick with the default settings. You can change this as you'd like. Click Next. Now for the integration options, I've tried the different options here. I didn't see much of a change. It shows up in my Windows toolbar. You can also create an icon in your tray. We'll go ahead and hit Next. It's extracting the files. And we're going to run Thinkorswim. Now what you'll see here, is going to take a while to install updates. This is not uncommon. In fact, each morning when you log on to the system, there will likely be updates. It will go much quicker once you get your initial installation done. But this might take a minute or two depending on your connection speed. Now, you can't really go wrong with TD Ameritrade with Thinkorswim if you're just starting out. It's very popular. Like I mentioned, Schwab recently purchased TD Ameritrade. And in fact, if you go on the Schwab website, there's a video where Charles Schwab himself is, talking about the program and saying, boy, I wish we thought of Thinkorswim. You could tell he sounds kind of jealous. So I think they've long coveted TD Ameritrade and Thinkorswim. So it's going to be around for a long time. So here we are. We're brought to the login screen. We'll go ahead and type in our username and password. Click login. A few more updates or installations. And we will be soon brought to the home screen, I believe. Yep. And there you have it. Happy trading, everybody.